Lewis Wall, and I'm the chairman and CEO of Davenport Energy. So had just gotten to work here, I was in my early mid-20s, and my uncle, he said, we're getting Amthor International that builds fuel trucks. So when they got here in Gretna and got the plant functional, we actually purchased the first tank truck that he built in Gretna. But that was a really exciting day when that truck rolled out, with our paint scheme and logo on it, and we were all very proud of that truck. What we purchased from them, we're hauling hazardous materials. We're hauling combustible products, so the integrity of that tank, whether it's a propane or whether it's a gasoline, the integrity is critical. When you put your name on something, it means that my reputation is at stake on every tank that I build. And they've always taken that very seriously. And when it says Amthor on the side or on the back, they're going to guarantee that equipment's going to work properly. Amthor, they don't cut corners to try to save a dollar. Everything they put on their tank trucks are high quality. The engineering is done so that your breakdowns are far and few between. There were times when we had colder weather in the wintertime, and we had a truck go down, and we needed to replace that truck, and I'd pick up the phone and call Butch and say, how can you help us? And Butch has always done everything possible, even in a pinch. One summer we were deployed in a hurricane mission, and we needed 3 trucks to go in that deployment. And I called Butch and I said, Butch, I'm not asking for anything special, but have you got anything? And he said, it's your lucky day. I think we picked him up the next day and sent men down to Florida. The wonderful thing about Amthor is, if you're building 1 truck a year, or 10 trucks a year, or 15 trucks a year, which in some cases we were doing, they could handle it. It's more than just a business relationship. It's been a friendship with Butch, and it's also been great to see Brian come up, as a young boy when I came here, and see him develop, elevating the company to the next level, and share the same philosophy that this is a partnership and a friendship. They're an asset to our industry, so very, very important that they do well and can build all of our future trucks going forward.